What's up, guys? Elite Speaker Man here. What's up, you guys? You Titan Speaker Man here. Today we are live at Blue Smurf's cat door. And let's just go and I'm done with this joke. Whoa, guys, it's Titan Cameraman. Titan Cameraman, are you okay? Hello, buddy? Don't worry, I'm okay. Anyway, see you in the next video, guys. That was cool. But I wonder what's in here. Hey, guy, I'm Blue's Morph Cat. Look it. Still the your side. We live, we love, we lie. But in your mirror, with it. Anyways, I'm not really here for much. Just, can you help me move that? It's super big. Come on, lift it. Not even all of us could do it. Wait a second, I know someone who can. Oh, thanks, guys. Now I can make my show. But this time it's going to be Ronaldo. In balloons till the other side. We live, we love, we lie. Anyways, guys, you want to see in the next video. Anyway, sorry for the delay. Just to let you know, this took us over 2 hours to make. Probably gonna be uploaded in a week, maybe. Right now, it's October 5th. So yeah, bye. Woo!